Good morning, children. Today we will be doing poem number 2 from your reader book. It is called A Nation's Strength. Now, let us read the text in the red one. According to you, what is country's biggest strength? In the following poem, the poet is telling us that the pillars of a nation on which it rests are its people. If the people have a sound value system, the nation is bound to prosper. The poet talks about how hard-working people of a country make it strong and not just wealth and the riches. क्या मतलब है इसका children? It is very simple to understand. Normal English it is written that according to the author here, the author is saying this thing in the red text. He is saying कि जो एक नेशन के लोग होते हैं वो उसके पिलर्स होते हैं. ठीक है, अगर उनके साउंड वैल्यू सिस्टम होगा तो वो जो कंट्री है दैट विल बी बाउंड टू प्रॉस्पर. बाउंड टू प्रॉस्पर का मतलब है इट विल इन एनी केस प्रॉस्पर. what do you mean by prosper? It will succeed. It will have all sort of success that a country can achieve. The poet talks about in this poem the poet is talking about the hardworking people of a country who make it strong and not just the wealth and the riches. It doesn't matter how much gold or money a country possesses, but it does matter what the people of a country are doing. For example, we take our country, India. Indian scientists, Indian mathematicians, Indian, sports persons, Indian film industry people, Indian educationists, everyone, they are doing so well in all the other countries. You can find an Indian at a very higher position in every single country. Many of the big countries are having Indians as their CEOs or directors, or as in they are doing very well. So that is why India right now has a very strong position amongst all the countries in the world. Recently, you must be knowing that it has also become a UN member and China could not do anything about it. Alright, that is because the people of India are doing very well. They're culturally sound, their value system is very strong, they are united, and they are not just running after wealth and the riches. Now let us read about the poem. It is written by Ralph Waldo Emerson. He is a American poet and a lecturer and philosopher as well. Now let us read the poem. Not gold, but only men can make a people greater and strong. Men who for truth and honor's sake stand fast and suffer long. It is the first paragraph, children. Let's see. Not gold, but only men can make a people greater and strong. जो गोल्ड होता है ना दैट के नॉट मेक पीपल ऑफ अ नेशन स्ट्रॉन्गर. यहाँ पे अ पीपल का मतलब है पीपल ऑफ द नेशन. ओके, सो ही सेइंग दैट नॉट गोल्ड बट मैन by themselves only can make a nation greater and strong. Now, which are these men who can make it a greater and stronger country? The men who, for truth and honor's sake, stand fast and suffer long. He's talking about those men who, for truth and honor, जो कि truth and honor के लिए stand fast and suffer long. Stand fast का मतलब ये नहीं कि ये बहुत जल्दी से खड़े हो जाते हैं. Stand fast का मतलब है कि वो कोई भी सिचुएशन को टैकल करने के लिए they're always standing to tackle any situation and to suffer for a long time. Alright, now next paragraph. Brave men who work while others sleep. Now here it is talking about the army. Like many of the people, army work when other people sleeps. Okay, they protect people while they sleep inside the nation with a sound sleep. They are awake on the borders, taking care of the nation, despite the fact they know everyone or not. They are just selfless. They selflessly take care of the nation and its citizens, who dare while others fly. They build a nation's pillar deep and lift them to the sky. Now, in the next three lines of the paragraph of the stanza, last three lines, he's saying that these are those men who dare while other people fly. Okay, डेयर का मतलब यहाँ पे ये नहीं है कि ट्रुथ एंड डेयर वाला डेयर. यहाँ पे डेयर का मतलब है कि पीपल हु सैक्रिफाइस while other people fly. People like army men, they're sacrificing their conjugal life. Conjugal life means married life. Okay, they don't meet their children, their parents, their spouses. Okay, and while they miss all this, the other people in the country, they touch the sky, they fly high, they do whatever they want to do. They can opt for anything they want to do. They go out, have fun, live in a good place, live in a good house. While on the other hand, the brave men who work while other people sleep, they dare to take that challenge of serving for the country while other people fly, while other people are enjoying their life to the fullest. Okay, they build a nation's pillar deep and lift them to the sky. These are only those men जो कि hard work कर रहे हैं. For example, if we take today's scenario, we can see the teachers, the army people, doctors, nurses, politicians, police workers. All these people are working so hard so that every other person in the country could be safe and sound and could live. Okay, because right now situations are very bad due to coronavirus. We all know that. So it is the same thing which the author has said, though it was written very long back, but it is still applicable to all the nations right now, and for our nation it is very very appropriate. So this he says कि ऐसे ही लोग जो होते हैं वो पिलर्स को डीप बिल्ड करते हैं. जब एक बिल्डिंग का पिलर डीप होता है, जितना डीप पिलर होगा उतना ही स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इट इज़ जस्ट लाइक अ ट्री. जितना उसके रूट्स नीचे तक गए होंगे ज़मीन में, उतना वो स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा ट्री, बिकॉज वो सॉइल को होल्ड करेगा. करेक्ट. तो द सेम वे अगर किसी नेशन के पिलर्स मतलब उसकी उसका कल्चर, उसकी वैल्यूज़, ये सब चीज़ें, द वैल्यू सिस्टम ऑफ द country, the unity of the country, the men who work for each other, women who work for each other. They want each other to grow. They don't want each other to just not grow or not succeed or not be happy. तो जितना ज़्यादा एक नेशन के पिलर्स डीप होंगे, नेशन उतना ही ज़्यादा सक्सीड करेगी. ओके, एंड लिव देम टू द स्काई का मतलब है सक्सेसफुल होना. एक नेशन को एज अ नेशन सक्सेसफुल होने का जो क्रेडिट है वो सिर्फ उन पिलर्स को जाता है या उस वैल्यू सिस्टम को जाता है जो लोग खुद से क्रिएट करते हैं, जो सोसाइटी खुद से लोग क्रिएट करते हैं लिविंग इन दैट वन कंट्री. ओके.